Welcome to the CryptoNest. Actually, I should have done just a video on miners. All right, so this is Dmgi. Where were we? So that's the bear market bottom. We had an A, B, C for the wave 1, wave 2. I believe now, we need to have another A, B, C, right? So we have an A. We actually now have a B. And the B, honestly, we don't want to go much lower than that. But for the moment, you can see that did we almost touched perfectly the 0.786, but now, yeah, something has to happen and price need to reverse. Otherwise, going to be in a little bit of in trouble to make it still count as a bullish count, right? So maybe I don't want to take that trend and just take this one. Maybe I have multiple touching points. Yeah, just two. All right, I thought I would have had a little bit more. All right, so our first target now is to not go below this level, and we want to go challenge this downtrend line in red and actually break it. So this has to be the focus now. Very important for DMGI. I mean, I can add the 0. It looks like I can't. Here you go. Okay, so I can add the actually let me put it in orange so we don't get lost. So this is our B wave, and yeah, so we still have the 0.886, but this has to be used only for quick wicks and jumping back, and ideally we don't want to go below 0.786 because it's going to start to make the chart more fragile and much more unreliable. And it's already kind of unreliable because it's not an impulsive movement, and it's in three waves, right? So, and also this A wave, you can see that we have an A, a B, and a C. Okay, so I have some of my friends, they managed to count 5 waves. I mean, no. Sorry, no. All right. So this should do it for DMGI. Yeah, so we have clean sparks. Also not great. I would say short term, you know, I mean, we can start and do trend lines everywhere, but momentarily, let's do make this one very short one. If we can manage at least to break that one, could be something. Let's not forget, we still have a little bit of room to go lower, but we don't want to go much lower. This is also, unfortunately, an ABC. Let me double check if the levels are good. Yes, they are. So this is the fourth wave playground. We can go a little bit lower, but we don't want to play with fire. So that's another thing we want to have, or like, keep an eye on. So for the moment, yeah, it's like it's kind of resisting kind of well, but we need something more bullish now. We need price action to the top and the right side to get out from this danger zone. Now we do have Hive. Hive also, unfortunately, I need to adjust the areas now. Still okay, not still not in danger. And now you can see that oops, no, didn't want to do that. Just want to take the B wave here. And so you can see now B wave can go lower. I'm just gonna check if I'm not messing up. What is this? Because now it's been a long time, right? Okay, so this was the count. If this is an ABC and this is just the A and this is the B. And this is, it was a very long time I didn't do the chart here. And this was, if this is the 1 and this is the 2. Okay. So that's crazy, but this should be in yellow. And this, no, actually it was okay. All right, so this is a 1 2, and anyway, it doesn't really matter, but we already went a little below the $4.14, so we cannot, price now need to go up. Otherwise, yeah, I'm going to count this as an ABC for the wave 1, and this is the level for the wave 2, and now we need to have a third wave soon. Hot and mining already did. Mara. Is this chart a mess or what? I know a lot of people that are very have high expectation on Mara. I'm kind of losing my patience, but you can see there is a very long accumulation on this level here. So eventually something has to go, but it just, are they going to miss time to do something more substantial in the price action I'm talking about? Now, this was the count for a possible wave 1, so all this could have been a very messy, overlapping, super diagonal wave 1, and I can see an A, a B, and a C for the wave 2, but it's lacking impulsive movement to the upside, so this is a little bit problematic. If I zoom in also, not great. Now I could try to say, I know this is an ABC and this is the 1, and this is A overshooting with B and a C, and this is a 2. Yeah, I can, okay, so, but it just, what did I say now? Oh yeah, here. 1. So yeah, okay, but now we need to see something, right? So if I count this as a 1 and this is the 2, now we need to have the third wave, so the least it can do is like go to 25.50 or something like that. Otherwise, not good. Riot. Let me check here. Riot is a long time I didn't do an update also. Okay, Riot, honestly, it's kind of looking good because it's holding and fighting, and kind of, I'm pretty much sure the RSI should be recharging. Yeah, I see 8 hours it's kind of recharging. 12 hours. So it's kind of going on the side, but at least it's good. This is, I would call this an accumulation level, right? And DMA 200, which is also the 0.5 fib retracement, acted as a support. And we're really bouncing up and down on these levels. Yeah, so it's not bad. I guess he's waiting just for the next explosive movement from Bitcoin to really kick in. That's that's a gold. Maybe not really relevant. Well, it's still a miner though. NDA. All right. Holy cow. Okay. I totally lost track of NDA. It's been a really long time. Okay, so we officially reaching the all-time high, is it? Just want to be sure that I didn't do any mistake. Okay, amazing. So we are about to enter into a new territory, space. Let's see if my levels now are good. So we have an ABC here for a 1. This is a 2. And let's check here. What did I do? I started from here. And this is a... and this is the 2. Okay, so amazing. Amazing. Okay, so the target... Wow, I know this is going to sound crazy. Are you kidding me? $27? Well, you know, that's what they say, right? Crypto can go crazy, but we are far from there. And I don't know, my chart is quite of a mess. So now we do have this inner smaller count here for this third wave. We have a 1, we have a 2, and we have the third wave that was a very skyrocketing one. It almost reached bend on the 1.618, so very happy for that. And I definitely need to clean up this chart now because it doesn't make sense. Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit of cleans here with all these micro counting and trends. So this I'm going to leave it. And you can see that, you know, how it works well when you understand Fibonacci retracement. It gives you really more insurance, or you know, that and, you know, once again, when I keep saying don't look at the structure but look at the levels, you know, here, okay, you know, it should have counted as an A, B, C, but then this A wave was so short, right? That's why I labeled an A, a B, and eventually a C. But would we have waited for this C wave, would have missed the ride, right? So if you reach a nice level, it's a maybe nice entry level. Okay, so now let's zoom in. Actually, no, let me go and set the target for this third wave now. How did I do it here? I set the one, okay, so this one did work very well for the third wave. Now, ideally for the fifth wave would be anywhere between, ideally, once again, between $3.02 and $3.90. Now I'm going to do another way of calculating the fifth wave. I'm going to take from the beginning to the wave 1 to the end of the wave 3, and I'm going to add that at the end of the fourth wave. So wave 1 plus 3, and I think I can leave that color. So the 0.382 already reached it, so I'm going to remove it. And actually, I don't know why I'm always missing. Windows I want to delete, so I'm missing 0.886 and the one. So I'm putting all the levels that are possible now for the moment. And also here it's overlapping, so I'm going to take one and put it on the left side. I'm guessing I already did it. It was already there, seriously. So I'm going to delete that one. And I'm just going to add the levels here, which were already there. Seriously. Speechless. All right, so next target, $2.48. I know, like people, they want more, they're more greedy, but hey, let's remember, we did a very nice run. I don't even remember when I bought it, this one. I need to go and check. Anyway, very, very happy with this. So now we need to be careful. Maybe start to take some profits. And if you go higher, take even more. Because, let me just refocus now to 2 seconds. So this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to do this one as a fifth wave. And this is going to end our third wave here. And I don't know why my expectations were so high though here. Let me go and recheck here. Is that possible? 1, 2. So for the third wave, ideally, you're supposed to go... Wow, yeah. Okay, so... And that's the thing, right? Because this is a diagonal, it's less, much less impulsive, so we need to be more conservative with the targets. And actually it doesn't look good at all, because now we would need really an extension on this fifth wave or something to really make it work to reach higher levels. But once again, let's be very, very grateful for this explosive movement. Let me see if I can manage to find, because today it's going up also. Very good. Net on Digital Corp. No, that's news of December. All right, so this is pretty much all for NDA. Bitfarm. And you know, isn't it amazing that one it's skyrocketing, the other one it's going on the side? You know, when the chart is ready. So this was 5 waves. My God, this is a very long time. I didn't do any update on that. I think I'm going to pass for this one because I mean, discount doesn't even make sense. Maybe I was on the... Yeah, okay, there you go. Okay, for this one, I'm going to redo my homework for that one, but definitely looks like an ABC. This is the one A overshooting wave B, C for wave 2, and still struggling. And possibly this could be the one, and this is the A, B, C, you know. Anyway, cannot analyze the chart in 2 minutes. Obviously, I did it into yeah, analog, is it? Yeah, pretty much. All right, so this is pretty much all for today. Hopefully it's not too long. Well, actually 17 minutes, that's pretty long. Sorry about that. But yeah, the highlight of this video, it's yeah, NDA, big winner. Oh my goodness. I think I'm going to go and take some yeah, and maybe start to put some alarms, my friends. Let's put some alarms. All right, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.